How to create a quick glitch effect in After Effects. Open up After Effects and type whatever text you want. Now create a new solid layer. Go to Layer, New, Solid. Search for an effect called Fractal Noise and apply it onto the solid layer. Change the noise type to block. Set the contrast to 800. Under the transform, make sure to uncheck the ununiform scaling and change the width and height to something like this. Lower down the complexity to 3. Under the evolution, change the random seed and alt click on the stopwatch and type this expression time times 6. Select the layer, hide it and place it below the text layer. Search for effect called displacement map. Apply it onto the text and change the map layer to black solid and source to effects and mask. Now select the layer and duplicate it once. Search for effect called shift channel and make sure to turn off all the channels. Now select the top layer and duplicate it 2 times. Now from the top layer, select the shift channel and make sure the red channel is mapped to red. For the second layer, the green channel is mapped to green, and for the third layer, blue channel is mapped to blue. Now select all the top 3 layers and change the mode to screen. If you are not able to see the screen option, just click over here. Now select the top layer and just play around with the displacement values. Do the same thing with the other layers and just change their position, something like this. Now if you play back, you can see that your glitch animation is happening. You can tweak it more by going to the black solid and just increase the scale value. You can also play around with the fractal type and change it to something like dynamic to get different looks. Now if you want to type some other text, you will have to change it 4 times for each layer. But there is a quick way. In order to do that, just go to composition and let's create another composition. Let's call this text and you can type your text whatever you want, just like that. Now select this composition and just place it somewhere to your UI and just open up its property, and under the source text just make sure it's visible. Now select the top layer and just go to the source layer. Alt click on this source path and just pick whip this value to the source text. Now select the source text and go to edit. Click on copy expression only. Now select all the 3 layers below that and go to edit. Click on paste. Now all you have to do is just simply change your text into the text composition, and whatever text you want, you can just type it over here and it will automatically update over here. So this is how you can create quick glitch effect in After Effects. You will find the project files for this tutorial on Patreon. So with that being said, this is Abhishek and I'll see you in the next one.